Boom! Look at what we have here. Samsung DeX station. Now this came along with my Samsung device. I ordered it all. Got it from Samsung.com for around $45. 40, yeah, around that. Went ahead and got this because I work a lot primarily through my phone these days. That's why I actually upgraded my phone. And I'll speak on that later on reasons why I upgraded and why I chose the S9. But this is one of the big positives right here, to be able to have this dock. Now this dock kind of turns your phone into a computer in a way. Obviously it's not to the capacity of a full-fledged desktop, but a lot of the work that I do these days, content creation and doing other various business communication, and all of that is done primarily through my phone. I use my phone maybe 80% of what I do. So this is going to be a huge benefit into my workflow, and it's going to really help out with my productivity. Let's cut this open and see what's inside. This is just going to be a unboxing video, so nothing too special that I'll be going over. I will talk about the functionality and setting it up in another video, so look out for that. I don't know why that opens both ways. Whatever. I was surprised at how small the package was, to be honest. I felt like this was going to be bigger, but it's not, so that's pretty cool. You have, well, this is a nice benefit. You get an extra fast charger in here. See that? It's the same fast charger you get with your regular device. And let's see. Yeah, USB-C cable. So that's pretty cool. So got an extra one that I can use standalone, but this is obviously what's going to be powering your device. You got your books right here. Let's wing it. Alright, take this off. Matte finish on this. Look at that. Looks pretty nice with... Man, that's nice. You see the matte? I like the purple because it stands out, but man, if I got the Bruce Wayne edition, that Dark Knight, that would look pretty cool with this. All black everything. We have the matte finish right here. That looks pretty nice. Stop her right there so it doesn't bounce around. And let's see what outlets we have here. So we have USB-A, two of those, Ethernet cable. Most likely will not be using this, but I shouldn't say never, because I do plan on, one of the big things I want to do is minimize the load that I carry with me when I am going on trips. So when I'm traveling, especially if I'm overseas and don't have access to a Wi-Fi, which most places do, but if I don't, this was nice to have. And considering how small, look at that, it fits in the palm of my hand. Considering how small this is going to be, very simple to just take with me. HDMI cable right here, and this is your USB Type-C port right here for your charging. Arrow right here, push that up. That looks very nice. It's nice. It's real nice. Look at that. Smooth. Feels plasticky, which has its durability and benefits, I guess, but this has a built-in fan, I believe. Let's see what it says on here. In box, you have your DeX station, wall charger, USB cable, and quick start guide. USB 2.0 for those two, like I said. 1 year warranty for this. Okay, whatever. That's it. Doesn't talk about much, but you see your USB Type-C input right there. So let's actually see how this goes. You know what would have been dope if this was had a key charging through here for the wireless. So that would be pretty special right there. Because then you could just use one. Because I decided to get this, and also I got the wireless charger separately. Because I saw myself using both of them. I won't lie, this is kind of not scary, but I don't know, sketchy. Can't really see and confirm if it's been plugged in. You're kind of guessing. I don't think the case is allowing this to go in well. So this moves, it has some give to it. Guess it just gives it flexibility. Let's take the case off. See how that. Alright. A whole lot better. Alright. So I guess that's why it flexes. So you can move it around. It's not so stiff so it doesn't break. Get out of here, Bigsby. Take that out. Let's put that back in. Yeah, it takes a little effort, you know. It takes some finesse. You already know what it is. Alright, so that's that for that. Plan on using this a lot. Pretty excited to test it out and see truly if it's what I envision it being. I'm hoping it's able to take me to a whole another level with my productivity and just staying on track with my release schedules. So I'll chat with you guys later and let you know how this works out. All right.